Now this week, we three sisters are giving you some plant identification challenges. Do you know the names of these 6 plants? We'll give you the answers at the end of this video. Now I'm Laura in West Sussex, and my first plant puzzle is this rather lovely, tall, elegant flower here. It grows from a corm. It likes a nice open, sunny site like this. The fact that it's leaning gracefully over a garden pond might give you a clue as to its name. This is another puzzle for you. It's a very, very spiky plant, likes a very hot, dry situation. It's a biennial, absolutely loved by bees, and it's got a rather mysterious backstory to it by someone who used to sprinkle these seeds anonymously around people's gardens.
Hi, I'm Elaine, and this is my first one. You can see it's a really tall growing perennial. You might recognise the shape of the flowers, in which case you might get a clue. But what variety of that type of plant is it? The bees love it, by the way. I've got a climber for you now. It's related to something very familiar to lots of people and to do with a very famous drink. This is the golden variety of it. It's quite rampant, but it always looks like the sunshine is on it. But what is it?
Hi, Caroline here in the Scottish Highlands. Note the slightly different attire here, the woolly jumper, rather than Elaine's vest top or bikini top or whatever it is she's wearing in Normandy. Anyway, my plants will be simple, stupid compared to my sisters, but I found this one, which might be a little bit, not everybody will know, I don't think. Got darker stems. There's nice sort of, I don't know, almost holly-shaped leaves. Here's a clue. Has nice waxy yellow bells in late summer, and it kind of likes a bit of shade. Do you know what it is? And here's one to make my sisters shudder. That lovely chocolatey foliage. You're probably all shouting out the name of this type of plant. And look at that. Look at that flower. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So, do you know the type of plant, and do you know the variety?
So let's see some answers. My first plant was Diorama pulcherrimum, or angel's fishing rod. Then, of course, it was the sea holly, Eryngium giganteum, Miss Wilmot's ghost. Elaine's first plant was Digitalis lutea, or the straw foxglove, followed by Humulus lupulus aureus, the golden hop. Up in Scotland, Caroline's first mystery was Coryngosoma palmata, or yellow wax bells. And finally, that very gaudy Alstroemeria Indian summer, which you may know as Peruvian lily. So how did you get on? Let us know in the comments below.